So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Apache Maven in your Windows 11. But before beginning the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. So let's begin the video without any further ado. So first of all, open Chrome browser in your PC and search for download Maven. Here in the top you can see download Apache Maven, click on it. Here you can see the system requirements to download it and run it properly. You can pause the video and look into it. So to download, scroll down a little bit and here you can see Windows x86 underscore 64. Download its zip file. Choose the location you want to download and click on save. The zip file will be downloaded to your PC. So after it is downloaded, just extract the zip file and then you can install Maven in your PC. So that's how you can install Maven in Windows 11. So that is all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.